tip one. Set clear goals and a vision. So you got to define your long-term and short-term goals. What do you want to achieve in your business? Having a clear vision and objectives will give you a sense of purpose and motivation. You got to write it down. When I was a home inspector and just starting off, man, I did my first home inspection. I still remember making $300 on a Saturday morning in 3 hours in cash. That was incredible. That was a lot of fun. That was one of my goals. That was one of my short-term goals, to have enough money to go to Whole Foods. Right? So write down your goals. Actually, literally write them down. And if you have a spouse, partner, be like-minded with them. Make sure you are sharing and thinking of the same things, have the same vision, have the same goals. So when you wake up on a September 4th, Labor Day holiday, and everyone is sleeping in, like that fellow that we saw before, and you're working on your business because you have a goal in mind, and you want to break down your goals or goal into smaller, manageable tasks and steps. Do one step a day. And this will make your journey feel less overwhelming and help you stay focused.